Kushi this side. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how I create this look. So guys, let's start the look. First I'm doing the eye makeup, starting with brown shades like a earthy shade and slowly building up the color darker, and then in middle I'm using a shimmer shade kind of golden and applying only in the middle with my finger. After applying the shimmer, now I'm completing with the eyeliner, and then I already done my CTM. Now I'm applying the foundation and blending it out very well. So guys, blending is the key to get your flawless face, and the most important thing is CTM. Do a good CTM before applying the makeup. After a good blending, now I'm using a Fit Me finish powder and setting my whole face. After setting my face with loose powder, now quickly I will contour my face with Color Bar powder contour. So guys, coming to my favorite part is blush. Applying Sugar Cosmetics blush. This is my favorite part. So guys, I have already done my lipper and under eye off camera. Now I'm doing my brows, filling my brows. So guys, here's my final look. Hope you like it. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.